Good morning. Today, I am in the capital city of China. Yes, you heard it right. I am here in Beijing. This is my first time here. And yeah, I'm just so happy to be here. Today, I want you guys to join me because we're going to the Great Wall of China.
Too much fun there. And it's a good day today, although it's a little bit cloudy, but the temperature is okay because 2 days ago it's very cold, freezing here in Beijing.
You tell me. Sige, dala pa doon. Hello everybody, I am here at the Great Wall of China. People, you should really come here once in your life. This is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Don't you know if you are the one John Lloyd of the Bay? Charot. Dala man to si Jackie Chan o si katong Karate Kid. William Smith ba to? Jaden Smith. Dala man to sila oh. Karate Kid, my gosh. Isa di ka sa mga sign niya padung ko diri Gemma. O diri ito ni dagan si Jaden Smith. Padagan siya ni Jackie Chan diri. Dali sa nagpak. Dali siya gagan. Alas Jackie Chan. Pas. Ito preparation sa Karate Kid na tournament. Dali. Enough na siguro itong picture eh. Binata mo, ate sa finish line sa Great Wall. Balik na sa Manuhan. Ito yung pugos. Kita na ito na picture. Ito na para mag-trek. Ito ka hawak. Hello everybody. So mo ito siya. Panaog na ko. Hey, let's stop this pretense. Hindi ko kaya ang Great Wall thing. Steep kayo siya, very steep. Kanya, I did not prepare myself for all the climbing and walking. No climbing, dili climbing. Basta kayo, paano siya ka pa? Vertical man din, yung wall, parts ba vertical. So, 2 stations lang ko, and then picture, anyway, now I understand why it's considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. Anyway, if you plan to come here to visit the Great Wall of China, you have to prepare your stamina. Prepare your body, Jude. Kay, basig lahi nga, basig ang creator na sa 7 wonders of the world in ang mamit. I love BJ by Maki Berga and Ernest Alaan. Nindot na siya eh. Pero, kung masinot mo dito ang aking partner ka. May kauban ba, maglaag-laag ba? Uy naman ko, yun ako isa per me eh. Uy na dito ko. Saan man yung maabot ako ang chikwa kay Lance, Gemma.